Today we're featuring a 2009 Chevrolet Traverse LT. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got 66,000 miles. It's black granite metallic in color. All right, it's a Carfax one owner. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the turn signal in the side mirrors, the nice chrome door handles, chrome trim around the windows, the nice roof rack on top. Driver's side of the Traverse is in good shape. It does have rear backup camera, rear park assist. All right, just a little bit of a ding right there in the back tailgate there. All right. Other than that, everything's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. All right, got the turn signals in the side mirrors on this side as well. All right, overall, the exterior of this Traverse is in great shape. It's an 09, okay? 66,000 miles, so some of those little dings are to be expected. All right, right here on the hood, got a small little paint chip right there on the hood, okay? But other than that, everything looks really good. 66,000 miles, Carfax one owner. It's a local trade. All right, got black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, just a little wear right there in the floor mat. That's to be expected though. Black cloth seats, power driver seat. All right, let me go ahead and flip this light on there and throw a little bit more light inside there. All right, but a power driver seat. All right, driver seat cloth looks good. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay. Passenger seat cloth's also in good shape. All right, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area here. AM/FM CD player. Okay. Little storage area up top here. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth right over here. Got your cruise control here. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 66,523 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and check out the radio display here. Okay, and then your climate control area once again. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the backup camera. It does have backup camera. It is located in the rear view mirror to the left side there. All right. It is a third row seat vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the second row. And let me go ahead and walk around and open up this passenger door. That way it lets as much light in there as possible. But this black interior, sometimes it's hard to see it. All right, door panels back here are in great shape. Second row carpet looks good, no staining. It does have the rear climate controls, heat and air. Okay, second row cloth looks good. It's the second row captain's chairs. All right, both seats are in good shape. Pull this down, slide this up, and as you can see, this third row is in fantastic shape. All right, carpet back here is nice and clean, no problems either. All right, let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay. Go ahead and take a look in the back here. See how much storage space we got. All right. So as you can see, with that third row seating up, it does cut into the space a little bit. And simply pull these tabs right here, push the seat right down, and you see how much now it opens it up. Ton of room back here. Got some storage here, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. All right, alloys are in great shape. Tires are good, almost a brand new set of tires here. All right, once again, it's a 2009. It's got 66,000 miles on it. It's an all-wheel drive. Okay, it's a Carfax one owner. It's a local trade. All right, it's got a little bit of age on it. It's got a few miles on it. A little ding here, a little ding there, but overall it's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. It'll be competitively priced. All right, come down, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.